Little tapey do.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh wait, I'm showing the 7.
Not the 7. Not the 7.
Can't show that 7. Or I'll
Okay.
say no half of it.
Different different camera angles there. Perfect.
Wow.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Shocked Up. Today this 2015 Subaru Impreza is getting a big muffler install. We'll be showing you how to turn your exhaust notes from this to this. Alright, so first with the car jacked up, we can see our first problem. This output pipe isn't in line with this input pipe in the stock muffler. And the muffler we're putting in is just a straight line. So here we have some extra tubing that we're going to install to kind of manipulate the stock exhaust so we can have it the way we want. We can also see that this flange is fully rusted, so let's cut it out then.
I think we need a bigger blade.
Yeah, that would be nice. How much is still hanging on?
Oh, barely any.
No, that's nothing.
Should I stop recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so here we got the old muffler finally out. A quick tip, if you have these hangers, some Vaseline will really help get those out. But here's the old one, here's the new one, and with any good exhaust video, you need to hear it without any muffler. Start her up. Okay, quick rev. Oh, that sounds nice actually.
Bro, that sounds so fucking nice. 5,000 revs.
Okay. Jeez.
Recording.
Sorry, just making sure it's in there.
You're good. It's not on.
It's not on, no, it's not. Are you still recording?
Yes. This is bloopers.
Laying down some beads, boy. Joking, I'm Oh my god.
Oh, Jesus.
Alright, so here we go, post weld. Don't judge me, but I mean it's kind of a bugger weld, but it's not too bad for both of these. I mean, I tested it, put some water in there, and all of these held up to a pressure test, so I think these welds are okay for the most part. So let's slap this thing into the car now. Hang on. It's like an instrument.
Exactly. That's how you know the weld's good.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Firebird.
Okay, we're good.
Don't worry. I'm not going to drive like that after this.
Okay.
Alright, here we have the new muffler mocked up. And that's looking pretty damn good. And you can see in here, we have our own custom hangers. These rods that we're just going to be welding into here. And here's our piping that merges onto the original pipe.
I heard my back crack.
And in case you're wondering, for this joint and this joint, we'll just be using regular exhaust clamps, so it's easy to come out in the future if we want. And then the other ones we just welded together. How's it going?
It's in.
Oh yeah?
It's being.
Can't say that on the channel.
It's in, but it's just not being nice.
Okay, that's better.
Oh man.
There you go. That's a little better.
I need
Why
to get
didn't
it in more. Yeah, I made it pretty long.
Okay, yeah, you might need to cut it.
Yeah, let's cut.
Okay, pull it out, pull it out, pull it out, pull it, pull it.
Ooh.
Jeez, it just popped out. Yeah. Alright, that's one hanger that looks very professionally made, if I do say so myself. Welded, oops, bad angle. Welded all the way in, and just when we're about to weld in the other one, this decided to run out of wire. So, we'll be back tomorrow with the finalized product for you guys, and the clamps are in. So this is safe to drive right now because we managed to get one hanger in before everything failed. That's just how these jobs go, but we'll be back. Alright, new day, new shirt. Check this out, go close in. Yeah, check that out. Shocked up shirts. But with the welders all filled up now, we got a brand new reel in there, ready to make some arcs and get in this last hanger in. So let's get started.
Okay, go for it.
I think it jammed.
Okay, you're good.
Oh, fuck. Oh my god.
What?
Look at this.
It welded to the welder? Oh, shit, I wasn't ready for that.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. I'm okay, I think. Do you think maybe we should sand a bit of the... Actually, we already welded one. Okay, I'm ready.
Hang on.
Okay, re-videoing. Okay.
Let me see. Ooh, glowing red.
Oh, wow. That side looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Oh, sorry, I kicked you.
Alright, here we go. Both hangers finally welded in. There's one and the other. Look at those. Solid. Solid. They're both hangers, the one in the background and that one, all custom. And this thing's not going anywhere. It's clamped here to our custom made piping and clamped there, and just the regular exhaust. It's all done. Now let's hear some exhaust tones.